All right, Flash. We got a personal box of 2013-14 Upper Deck Ultimate Hockey. Upper Deck Ultimate Collection Hockey. I got box number 12, 10, 9, 2, 6, 5, and 8. Ten. Box number 10. Good luck. First up, number to 499 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. I don't even know how to pronounce his first name. I think that's right. Kadri for the Maple Leafs to 499. Next up for the Phoenix Coyotes, Ultimate Rookies to 499, Jordan Schwartz. On-card auto rookie ultimate signatures for the Detroit Red Wings, the goalie Peter Mrazek. Detroit Red Wings ultimate rookies on-card auto. And your patch is 024 of 100. Decent little patch there. 2-color. Debut Threads Ultimate Patch, Michael Bournival. Michael Bournival for the Montreal Canadiens. Alright, that was your box flash. Thank you. Appreciate it.